Drinking rum and Coca-Cola, go down Point Kumana.
Welcome to my tiny little apartment kitchen, New York apartment kitchen. We are gonna make a banana bread that I really like. And it's actually from Jamie Oliver's Great Britain cookbook. I just happen to like it. And I didn't feel like inventing my banana loaf bread thing today, which I do normally. I just throw oats and eggs and bananas in a bowl. I thought I would go by his recipe because it's so good. So, welcome to Isa Cooks. From somebody else's recipe. Whatever. Okay, brown sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Put that in a bowl. You're gonna need, I like saying 4 ounces of butter because it makes it seem like less, but it's a stick of butter. Room temperature is preferable. Actually, it's really required. Okay. So we need to beat this together. Look at this good old school machine. Don't start so high so fast. You will make a mess of your kitchen. And if you're a neat freak like me, that will make you very unhappy. Okay, so now this banana bread usually takes walnuts, but my cameraman does not eat the walnuts, so I can't put them inside. However, I put chocolate chips inside. And I think that makes everybody here very happy, including my cameraman. Okay, that is pretty good. So now we're going to do 1 egg at a time into the batter. Making sounds that my son would make. He's behind the camera and he's not allowed to say anything right now. All right, 1 egg, 2 eggs. Oh, wow, that was an amateur crack. And when we are done with this, we have to put the bananas in. And then normally you would put the walnuts in after that if your family eats the walnuts. Unlike mine. The walnuts are good. I have to say, I'm gonna try to convince him. They're good because they make it a little bit crunchy. It means that the banana bread has some different texture to it. It's not all kind of smooth throughout. So now we add the banana. It's about 5 to 6 smushed bananas, smushed professionally by my 10-year-old, almost 10-year-old. Very, very good at smushing. It always looks a little grody. So I like to make sure it is nice and mixed at this point because when I put the flour in, I don't want to mix it too much. Okay. Next, I have a little bit of baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon, about 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then we just need, how much flour do we need? 1.5 cups of flour. So here we go. Sorry, it's gonna take me just a second. All right. 1.5, and where is my sieve? Thank you. Okay, out of the way. So now you wanna sift it in, make it nice and light. No clumps. There's all that. You love how chipped my bowls are. Do you know how long we've had them? Longer than I've been alive. They belong to my mother. So yes, we have got a lot. So I like to sift in my flour and stir it. I can smell the cinnamon. Oh my goodness. Can you smell it? No? So good. So yummy. let's do the rest of this. Okay, don't need that a little bit. All right. I have to say that the batter already smells delicious. Now we're gonna get these Who gems. I have to say, I'm in love with these. These are my favorite. Now, I guess I could put these in whole. Do I really want to spend time cutting them? No, I don't. Not one bit. You want one? Here. Feeding my cameraman for a job well done. Okay, let's put in more than that, obviously. That was not nearly enough. 10 chips. Who are we kidding here? Okay, not too much because these are really, they're potent, very strong, and you don't want it to then all of a sudden just be like chocolate bread. I mean, not that that's a bad thing, but you want it to be able to taste the banana. Okay, it is all mixed. It is ready. The oven is, yeah, it is ready. The oven should be at 325. I always have to make my oven a little hotter because my oven runs cold. Annoying, but true. That's okay. Cold oven, warm heart, I guess. All right, put this in there. So I scrunched up a piece of parchment paper. I wet the parchment paper, scrunched it up, and then I put some olive oil on it as well and stuck it into my little loaf pan, just like, as you can see. It all looks rather rustic. Get that out. Don't worry about your fingers. I like to make sure I get it to the edge there. Da, 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 da. Delish. Okay, say goodbye.
I'm drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Cumana. Both my